Are you stuck on the hamster wheel of your network marketing business? If that question hits home, then you're in the right place. Today, we're getting down to the bottom of this. We're uncovering the top 3 mistakes that might be slowing down your progress and, more importantly, how to turn them around. Let's dive straight in. First up on our list is a common trap that many fall into: non-income producing activity. Sounds a bit technical, right? But it's actually quite simple. This is when we spend our time doing things that don't actually contribute to our business growth. For instance, obsessively checking your back office. We often convince ourselves that constantly monitoring our stats means we're working hard, but guess what? It's not productive. You see, real growth in network marketing doesn't come from just staring at numbers. It comes from active, purposeful action. We're talking about reaching out, making connections, consistently posting relevant content on your preferred social media platform. These are the things that move the needle forward in your business. So how do we fix this? Well, it's all about setting specific times to check your back office. Maybe once in the morning and once before you wrap up for the day. The rest of your time, spend it actively building your business. Connect with potential clients, brainstorm new marketing strategies, work on your social media presence. The key is to remember that your business is not just about numbers, it's about people, it's about relationships, and these things don't grow by constantly checking stats. They grow through consistent, meaningful action. So there we have it. Mistake number 1, non-income producing activity. It's an easy trap to fall into, but with a shift in focus, it's equally easy to overcome. Remember, real growth comes from action, not just staring at numbers. So, set specific times to check your back office and spend the rest of your day actively building your business. Stick around, because we've got 2 more common mistakes to uncover. And trust me, you don't want to miss these. The second mistake that might be hindering your network marketing success is not leading by example. Now, I'm sure you've heard the phrase, actions speak louder than words. Well, it couldn't be more true when it comes to network marketing. You see, any successful leader knows that leading by example is the most effective way to motivate their downline. It's not just about telling them what to do, it's about showing them. Imagine trying to inspire your team to recruit, make phone calls, host home parties, or even just post engaging social media content, but you're not doing any of these things yourself. It's like saying, do what I say, not what I do. And let's be honest, that just doesn't work. Your team needs to see you in the trenches with them, actively recruiting new members and growing the network. They need to see that you're not just preaching, but practicing what you preach. When they see you achieving success, they'll not only be inspired, but they'll also know that it's possible for them too. And it's not just about the success, it's about the effort too. Show them that you're not afraid to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. Show them that you're willing to put in the work, to face the challenges, and to never give up. Let them see your determination, your perseverance, and your passion. Remember, as a leader, your actions set the tone for your team. If you're positive, proactive, and persistent, they'll follow your lead. If you're passive, unenthusiastic, and inconsistent, well, they'll follow that lead too. So, choose your actions wisely. So, if you want to motivate your downline, if you want to inspire them to reach their full potential, then you need to lead by example. You need to show them what's possible and challenge them to step up their game. Your success is a powerful motivator. It shows them what is possible and challenges them to step up their game. And the third mistake that can stagnate your network marketing growth is learning without action. That's right, you heard me, learning without action. It's like buying a book and never reading it, or even worse, reading it and never applying what you learned. You see, we live in an information age where knowledge is abundant and easily accessible. We can spend countless hours attending webinars, reading books, or watching videos, all in the name of learning. But here's the catch. Constant learning without implementation is like running on a treadmill. You're moving, but not going anywhere. You might feel productive because you are consuming a lot of information. You're attending all these webinars, you're reading all these books, you're watching all these videos, but at the end of the day, what do you have to show for it? If there's no action taken, then all that knowledge is just sitting in your head, doing nothing. Knowledge alone is not power. We've all heard the saying, knowledge is power. But that's not entirely accurate. It's not just knowledge that's power. It's applied knowledge that's power. It's what you do with what you know that matters. So how do you strike a balance between learning and doing? Well, it's simple. For every piece of knowledge you consume, think about how you can apply it to your business. Then, take action. Implement what you've learned. Test it out. See what works and what doesn't. Make adjustments as needed. Remember, it's not about how much you know, it's about how much you do with what you know. So, don't just be a learner, be a doer. Be someone who takes action. Because in the end, it's the doers who get results. It's the doers who achieve success. Don't just fill your head, make moves that count. The world of network marketing is waiting for you to take action. So what are you waiting for? Start applying what you've learned and watch your business grow. So there you have it, the 3 mistakes you need to avoid to skyrocket your network marketing business. Mistake 1, getting caught up in non-income producing activities. Make sure your actions are pushing your business forward. Mistake 2, not leading by example. Your actions will inspire and motivate your downline more than words ever can. And finally, mistake 3, always learning, never taking action. Knowledge is only powerful when it's applied. Remember, you have the power to turn these mistakes around. It's time for a shift in your approach. Move from passive to active, from learning to doing, from managing to leading. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you set yourself and your business up for success. Before we wrap up, we've got some fantastic resources to share with you. If you're seeking tools to help bolster your online marketing efforts, make sure to check out the links in the description below. We've handpicked some of our favorite tools that make conducting an online business a breeze, ensuring rapid growth. If you're on the lookout for ways to diversify your income portfolio, there's a link below leading to our top recommendation for generating substantial income by assisting others online, just like we do. Thanks again for tuning in, and as always, we're excited to see you conquer your business goals. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.